Are you stuck with plagiarism? Today is the day for you.
Game on.
Hello viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with another important essential topic. It is very important for a student, job holder or any people who works with collecting data or resources. Today we are going to know about plagiarism, how to find out the portion of plagiarism and how to rewrite the plagiarized portion of that article for free. Yes, you heard the right thing. It's absolutely for free. No software is required for doing any part of the process. Plagiarism is generally using the words or ideas of others and passing them off as your own. Plagiarism is a type of intellectual theft. It can be of different forms. Consequently, whenever you use the words or ideas of another person in your work, you must acknowledge where they came from. Plagiarism is unethical for three reasons. Firstly, it is unethical because it is a form of theft. Secondly, it is unethical because the plagiarizer subsequently benefits from this theft. And thirdly, a degree is evidence of its holder's abilities and knowledge. If a student gains employment on the basis of a qualification they have not earned, they may be a risk to others. Let us look for more information about plagiarism and make our concept more clear about the topic before you go for the process. Let's see, what does Wikipedia tell about plagiarism? Here we are now on Wikipedia. Wikipedia says, plagiarism is the representation of another author's language, thoughts, ideas, or expressions as one's own original work. It's important to know what plagiarism is and what form it takes. It's also important to know how plagiarism happens. The final step is to develop effective academic skills. Wiki also warns that it is subject to sanctions such as penalties, suspension, expulsion from school or work, substantial fines and even incarceration. We already should have the basic knowledge of plagiarism at this stage. Now we will learn how to copy something without being plagiarized. Interesting, isn't it? So, let's get started. Now, let's get back to the Google. We will now look for an article for our operation. We will check for plagiarism and find a solution about how to copy the given information without being plagiarized. Okay, we are going to copy a para of the article of this page for the purpose of our study. So let's work with it. Now we will look for plagiarism of the article from the required website. The website we are going to use for checking the plagiarism is www.smallcotools.com. We will also use the same site for rephrasing purpose. We need to paste the copied article on this blank box and press the button Check Plagiarism for checking the plagiarism percentage. Here in the below, we can see that the plagiarism rate is being calculated. It will take some few seconds before it get complete. So here we can see, the plagiarism is 100%. If we press the button Compare, it will now take us to Google, for showing us the related articles which will help us to find the origin. Look, there are many websites with the same article in Google. Match the sentence we compared, those are absolutely the same. Even have a look. Giant firm like repl.it also used the article, so we can easily find if the article is plagiarized or not. and if it is, we can find where the article has been used overseas. Now get back to Small SEO Tools website. We will now rewrite the article to make it usable. Look here, we have two options. First one is rewrite plagiarized content. Another is to rewrite the whole article. We will rewrite the whole article because the article is 100% plagiarized. So we will need all the files to be changed. Sometimes it is seen that the article is not ready for 100% unique at the first time. In that case we will need to repeat the process another time only. We can see the change in the article with some colorful word. Now let's check for plagiarism for the new article. We can see the article is still on 22% of plagiarism. The thing we need to do is rewrite the article by the same process. So we are doing the same process again. Congratulations! Happy 100% of uniqueness! And we are now plagiarism free and our article is now completely safe. Let's check the new article in different website for ensurement of plagiarism free. So it's 100% safe. This is the way we should follow to have a plagiarism-free writings. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Stay safe. Stay home. Please do like and subscribe the channel for my future uploads. Thank you.